Welcome back. Now that we have our space open, what we can now do is we can upload files to provide the Perplexity model with content to guide it in the generation process. We're going to add files from our hard drive. And as you can see, we can upload up to 50 documents that are 25 meg each. And our file is now added. We can start the process with our queries by first choosing a specific source. Now, in this particular case, because we have the Pro version, one of the things that we can do is we can access our space files in addition to the web at the same time. So that is what we're going to do. We're going to access both our files as well as the web when we are going to be generating content inside of this thread. We can now write in our thread. You do have files with the space. You can also attach files here in this area, and you can attach images, text, and PDFs. And so we can start the process with an initial query based on the web and our space files, as well as our uploaded files. We will then click Next. And we will allow Perplexity to answer the question that we have given it. And even though it is not instantaneous, the process is relatively fast to create the answer. Now that we have the basis for an answer, we can move on to the next step in the process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.